Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Disney Plus account. To log into Disney Plus account, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Open up a web browser of your choice and type in disneyplus.com in it, which will take you to the official website for Disney Plus. Once you get to the main homepage for Disney Plus, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button. In the login area, type in your email address associated with your Disney Plus account and click on continue. Now on the next page, type in your password associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, you can click on this having trouble logging in, send a one-time code link at the bottom and enter an OTP sent to you via your email or phone number in order to access to your account. After filling in your correct password, click on login and you will be able to sign into your Disney Plus account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.